In this tutorial, I will show you how to put a border around a text box in Canva. First, open Canva in your browser and log into your account. Once you are on the home page, open an existing design or click Create a Design to start a new project. After the editor opens, go to the left sidebar and click the Text tab. Add a text box to your canvas and type the text you want. Next, go to the Elements tab on the left side and search for square or rectangle. Click on a basic square shape and it will appear on your canvas. With the square selected, go to the color option in the top toolbar and remove the fill color by selecting the transparent option. Then look for the border style or stroke option in the top toolbar and increase the border weight to create an outline. Adjust the border color if you want to match your design. Finally, resize the square and position it around your text box so it acts as a border. That is how you put a border around a text box in Canva.